Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a soccer game in Scratch. Let's get into it. Now just to say, if you guys are new to Scratch, and I suggest not this video for you guys, but there are more simpler videos on my channel, because this is going to be an advanced Scratch tutorial today. By the way guys, remember, if you guys want to be with me, if you guys want to be in contact with me somehow, like not in contact, but if you guys want to be with me in Scratch sometimes, then remember I have this group right here. Remember this group here, so remember this one, okay? Yeah. And you can also comment on it. This, I got this today, or 9 days ago. Yeah. So that's how you do that. So yeah. In the next episode, I'm just going to show you guys how to change your photo just here. Let's get started. So let's go and click create, or you can press here. Check to new project. Just load in. It would take a long time for the projects editor to just come. Okay, here it is. Creating project, creating blocks. Cool, so now we are here. Let's name this soccer game, because this is going to be a soccer game. I'm just going to name it soccer. So what we're going to do is, firstly, we have to make something. So let's quickly delete a cat. And what we're going to do is we're firstly going to make a red ball. I am going to change, I think. I'm just going to make it red just so I know what I'm doing. Can get into the middle of this. Oh, okay. So first of all, the outline. Not that right. I think one will be good. That is cool. We'll make that a bit bigger. Like, make sure it's like in the middle. Just like that. Because you want it to at least be big enough that you can see it. I think that will be a good size. And now what I'm going to do is, this is going to be the player. I'm sorry. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get a rubber and we're going to rub this to about 10. Actually no, 14. Let's do 14. And we're going to do dots like that. And you can see it's made good eyes. You can see there. Here. Now what we're going to do is we are going to get the select tool. We're going to do this. And what we're going to do is put this in the middle. That's how you do it. Now what we're going to do, we are going to go into the script. So let's go back to the code area. Let's start. So we've made the player, and now we need to code the player. Obviously what you want to do is go to event, do one flag clicked, and then what you want to do, you want to go to variables. You want to click make a variable, and the variable is going to be called, well, to be honest, we should have two variables. So this one will be red speed, x. The reason why I'm calling it that, because this variable is going to be for the speed, and also we put red there because the character is red, and x because it's like the first one, kinda. Let's make another variable, and the variable is going to be exactly the same, but just like this. Speed, red speed, y. Just like that. Make sure these two things are for all or for all sprites. So what we're going to do is we're going to get two of these in the sets, and we're going to put that there. Okay, and the bottom one, how is x? The bottom one is going to be red speed y. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get the go to motion. Let's just quickly put it in the middle. Let's just quickly put it to 0, 0. And let's just click it so it goes to the middle. Now let's change it. So the x position is going to be -171. Y is going to be 3. So that's where it's going to be. So if I click it, it's going to be there. Okay, so yeah. So now that's really good. By the way, guys, my sister just came and she lost her tooth yesterday, and she got $5 note. Like, whoa! Like, what the heck? Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to get a forever loop, and what you want to do is we're going to get in motion a point towards here. A point towards. I'm gonna put that in there, and we don't have anything to point towards. All we have is a mouse pointer. We don't, but when we make another sprite, then what we can do, we can actually, we have another option if we make another sprite. Let me just show you. I'm just gonna get like a random one, and you can now see I've put that in. We go back to this one. If I click, you can see we have another option. When you click it, something will come up. But now I just delete it, nothing will come up. So what we're going to do is I think we're going to make the ball. Yeah, let's make the ball. So let's paint. All these paintings are going to be very simple. So there's going to be no fill. No fill. Outline maybe just like 6 or something. Who knows? And I'm going to make a ball. This is too big for a ball. Okay. And just quickly put. Wait, why can't I move the ball? Cool. So now we have made our ball. What we are going to do is we're going to make a fill ink. I've decided, but the filling is just going to be white, like that. Okay. So now let's go back to the code and let's go back to sprite 1. Sprite 1 is going to be the person. And what we're going to do is the point towards here. It's going to be sprite 2. Okay. So now when we run the code, you can see it should look like this, and you can see the face is pointing towards the ball. if I did it like this, you can see it's like looking towards the ball, like that, and that's what we want. Okay, but we don't want that to be there all the time. Okay, but that's fine for now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to control and we're going to get an if then. We're going to put it on in the forever, but we're going to put it under the point towards sprite 2. Then what we're going to do is we're going to get instancing, we're going to get key space pressed. And then what you want to do is you can do W. So, because like the controls are like WASD. Okay. I mean, it's up to you guys. I'm just going to do 8. Now I'm going to do WASD and then I'm going to do the arrows. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to go to variables and we're going to change red speedy y by let's see, by 0.6. And what we can do is we can duplicate these just like that. Now we have these. All we need to do is this one, WS and we're going to change this right here to minus 0.6. And now what we're going to do is this one is going to be A. This one, the last one, is going to be D. Oops, not B, D, sorry. So we have WSAD. Cool. And what we're going to do is we're going to change the to bottom to red speed X. Cool. And what we're going to do is we're going to change the first here, this one, to minus 0.6. So you have 0.6 minus 0.6 minus 0.6. The last one can be 0.6. 0.6 means 0.6. Also, what we can do is, now what we're going to do is we're just going to duplicate this whole thing, and W is normally forward, so we're going to do the up arrow. S is normally down, so this is going down arrow. A is normally right arrow. And D is normally left arrow. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's right. And what we do is we just put that in there. So we have all that done. That's all the controls. So you can do WASD or up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, and left arrow. Now what we do at the bottom of this is we're going to go to motion and we're going to get the, go down here and we're going to get the change X by and also the change Y by. At the bottom here, what we're going to do is we're going to put in here is we're going to put the variable this is we're going to put the X here and the Y here, just like that. So now what we can do now is what we are going to do the set red speed Y to 0 for now, but we're going to change that right now. We're going to operators. We're going to get this little buddy thing, majig. And also what we're going to do is we are going to go to variables. Okay, let's go to variables. And we're also going to get a red speed X. And also in the other, we're going to put in a number. And the number is going to be 0.6. 0.6? I know, 0.9, sorry. That means 0.9. And what we're going to do is we're going to right click this and we're going to duplicate it. I'm not going to play our script right now. What we're going to do is this bottom one right here can be X and also this one can be X. Cool. Actually, oh sorry, this one's wrong. I was supposed to put Y there. Cool. So this is Y, this is an X, Y and X. Make sure I'm just gonna put this one as 0.9. Means exactly the same thing. And what you can do is we are gonna click full screen button and let's click the flag, and when we do WASD you can see we move the character, quite cool to be honest. WASD, and also the now doing with the up arrow you can see it is always going down. Now there's only one problem. Up and down, look at this, look at the eyes. So cool. But look, so when we go down, that's fine. But look, when we go this, I'm doing with the up arrows, left and right a bit confused. So let me just quickly go into the code. And it was the left arrow. Yep, left arrow is going right. Yeah. And right arrow is going left. So wait, what? Wait, so this is going that way. This is supposed to go this way. So the left arrow is supposed to be going minus 0.6. And this one is supposed to be 0.6. And try again. Okay, now it's fixed. So when we move that way and when we move that way, so like it's very smooth, and we are always going to be looking at this object right here. This is going to be our ball. Maybe, I don't know what it's going to be, but I really think it's going to be our ball. Maybe we'll change it. I mean, it's different. Okay. Now, the only thing is what we're going to do. Oh my gosh. I want to like see if you can size the stuff. Yes, you can. So the size of this can be 80. No. Let's do it as 70. 70. 70 will be good. Okay. And let's also the last thing what I'm going to do for this part is I'm going to shrink down the ball, and then I'll see you guys in part 2. So I want this to be 80, and there we go. So we'll do the rest in part 2, so make sure you guys are subscribed to that. If you guys do enjoy, then make sure you guys smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.